Question is, if cot theta equal to 1 upon 3, find all other trigonometric ratios. So what is cot theta? Cot theta equal to 1 upon 3 given, or cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Suppose we have a triangle ABC, ABC, and angle C is theta, angle B is 90 degree. So cot theta equal to 1 upon 3 equal to base upon perpendicular. For this angle theta, BC is base. What is perpendicular? AB is perpendicular. 1 upon 3 is ratio. Cot theta equal to 1 upon 3 equal to BC upon AB. So let BC equal to 1K and AB equal to 3K. Take small k, where K is a constant. K is a positive constant. AB is 3K. AB is 3K. BC is 1K. We apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC and we find AC. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC, we get AC square hypotenuse square equal to sum of square of other two sides. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. What is AB? AB is 3K. What is BC? BC is 1K. 3K square, 9K square. 1K whole square, K square. This is equal to 10K square. Taking square root of both sides, AC is root 10K. Taking square root of both sides, AC equal to root 10K. AC is root 10K. Now we have to find all other trigonometric ratios. First, sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For this, perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB upon AC. What is AB? 3K. What is AC? Root 10K. K will cancel K. So 3 upon root 10. Similarly, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. For this angle, base is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC upon AC. What is BC? BC is 1K. And what is AC? AC is root 10K. K will cancel K. So 1 upon root 10. So sin theta is 3 upon root 10. Cos theta is 1 upon root 10. Now tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. For this angle, perpendicular is AB. Base is BC. What is AB? AB is 3K. What is BC? BC is 1K. K will cancel K. Equal to 3 upon 1. Next is cot already we have. Next sec theta. Sec theta is reverse of cos theta. Cos theta b upon h, so it is h upon b. H upon b. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. For this angle, hypotenuse is AC. For this, base is BC. What is AC? AC is root 10K. And what is base? BC. BC is 1K. K will cancel K. So root 10 upon 1. Last is cosec theta. Last is cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is reverse of sin theta. So it is h upon p. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is AC. For angle theta, perpendicular is AB. What is AC? AC is root 10K upon AB. AB is 3K. K will cancel K. So root 10 upon 3. So these are our trigonometric ratios. So students, if you like my teaching, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.